Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can contact Amazon customer support in Amazon Shopping in 2026. This should be a very simple and easy video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can get the full information. Now, for your Amazon products, when you order something or you need help with something, you will need obviously to contact the support team. But before they send you exactly to the support, you will have been taken to a page where the customer service have made articles and basically answers the most frequently asked questions. So simply just before contacting the support team, and maybe you really don't need one, go here and ask questions. So for example, you have a problem with the package, simply just write down package, and here you will have every single topic related to a package and how to solve that specific issue. For example, you have a missing package, click on this one, and here you have whole articles that will explain to you how you can find the missing package that shows us delivered and etc. So you can find the solution for you. Now, what if the steps that's shown in here, for example, you have to write all of these steps, like all of these steps that are in this article, or maybe the article itself doesn't exist, that will help you with your problem. What to do in this case? Then this support option in customer service comes to mind. So you can actually go to customer service. So this is the page that we talked about, which is this one, which helps with the question. So the second thing is managing your orders. Go to your orders, and from orders page, you can contact the support team directly from there, and basically they will answer you. And maybe if that doesn't work, you can, with the email, normally the email that sends you the confirmation and etc within your email box, use it to reply back to Amazon and basically use it as a contact way, so you can ask them about staff problems and basically they will send you back the solution from there. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe and leave us a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.